RPR time-saving tips. Add a request a property report form to your website or blog. Brought to you by the Realtors Association of the Palm Beaches. One of the many benefits of RPR are the great customizable reports. There are property reports, which gives you comprehensive information on a specific property, seller's reports, which is a great listing tool similar to a CMA, or the market activity report, which gives you a snapshot of all the changes in a local real estate market. Wouldn't it be great if you could have a place on your website where someone from the public could request this kind of information? Well, Reggie, Director of Social Media for RPR, wrote a blog recently that tells you just how to do such a thing. To add a Request a Report button to your website or blog, he talks about using a product called Wufoo, WUFOO.com. I'd like to go ahead to Wufoo and show you how to create a Request a Report form for your website or blog. Okay, let's walk through creating a form with Wufoo. If you have just one user and fewer than 3 forms with no more than 10 fields, you qualify for the free account. You can see that Wufoo offers a variety of different plans based on your needs. Okay, once you've created a free account and logged in, you'll want to create a new form by clicking on the New Form button in the top right-hand corner. Okay, let's give this form a title. Click on where it says Untitled Form, and then let's rename this Request a Property Report. Okay, here you can add a description if you'd like. How about let's do fill out this form to receive complimentary property report. You may also want to set the confirmation options. Start with the choice of including a custom success message or have the consumer redirected to a page on your blog or website. The option to redirect to a website is only available in the paid versions of this program. But you can change the text here in the confirmation email to let them know that they can email you for more information. You can put all of that right in here in this customizable section. Let's go ahead to add a field and start putting our form together. Notice Wufoo provides both standard form options or what they call fancy pants, which are short, convenient, pre-programmed options. So you can select you want name, email address, phone number, and you can customize. So say you want to ask them what type of report they're interested in receiving. You can use a drop down, and when you click on the field, it will open up an editing feature. So let's go ahead and click on there. And say you want to select which type of report to receive. And then in the drop down, you have the option to put in the different types of reports. So we have a property report, a seller's report, activity report. Okay, let's go ahead and save that. Okay, once your form is saved, you will need to set up how you are receiving notice that somebody has filled out this form. So you want to click on Set Up Email Notifications. And here you'll have the option to either get emailed when somebody fills out the report, have a text message sent to your phone, or you can choose from another application such as Twitter or MailChimp. Once the form is built, you're ready to add it to your site. Wufoo offers a few different ways to accomplish this. You'll want to go to Forms tab and then click on Code under the form that you just created. And you'll see here you can get the standard embedded code, you can have a pop-up link, full page form code, and others. In the case of the embed code, you would go to your website and add the code to your page where you would like the form to show up. The code works much like a YouTube video. Once you've copied the code and add it to your website, the form will be displayed. And it'll look similar to this. You can always edit the form by going back to Wufoo. Here you can see the drop down with the different options, and then once they submit, this will go to you depending on how you requested the information to be received. Wufoo is a great tool and can be used in other capacities besides RPR. I hope you enjoyed this tool and you find it useful.